Hello, welcome you to our CorelDraw tutorial video. Inside this video, I'll show you how to make a wedding banner design. So this is our picture to use our background and text. So you choose your sizes and the box, right click to drag to power clip your background, right click to edit, power clip, and left click to adjust and drag. You can download the background on Google and finish by left side. Remove the outline by right click on empty box, the image, power clip, right click to edit, power clip, left click to adjust. Left click, finish. Our text to use, left click to drag and change the font list. Change. Left click to adjust. And Ctrl K to break the text. Ctrl K to break the text. F10. Adjust. F2 to zoom. F2. Then the color, is that your favorite color on it? Hold Ctrl and click to add your favorite color. Right click to drag. This is our graphics element. You can download it on Google too. We call it clip art, effect or clip art. The couple's name, change the font, then insert your color. Power clip, to make it look like two color. Our vector clip art again under the name. Copy the color. the hashtag, the highlights, bring it down, bring it down. Changing the color. Left click to adjust. Rectangular shape, include your color. Left click to adjust. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. Change the color by left click on color gadgets. Then left click F2 to zoom. Then you drag. Left click to adjust. F10 to round up the edge. F10. Right click, double click, left double click, and you flip it by the edge. Rotate, flip, draw your circle, give it white color by left click. Right click to drag to power clip the image inside the box. Right click to power clip the image to inside the box. Hold Alt to adjust with left click. Our dates. C. Shift F3 to change the keys after the highlight. To drop the shadow. Please kindly subscribe for more video like this on our channel, and shares. Thanks for watching.